light's really gone, isn't it? Okay. Hey guys, this is Austin. And today on Mystery Tech, we're looking at moon shoes. Moon shoes. Max weight, 130 pounds, max shoe size, men's size 10. Are you just trying to kill me at this point? This is not meant for like grown men. This is actually very simple. Great. Step 1, slot 1, hook 1 band to each post marked A on the diagram. Do you see how many bands are on this diagram? And then I guess because I'm in the 130 to 160 pound weight, I have to use 4 bands for every single slide. You better get over here and help me with this. This is your idea. Oh my god. Wait. What? This is, we're backwards. You guys were backwards, right? This is what it should look like.
These are treads. No. We were so close.
So after about 20 minutes of threading rubber bands through the moon shoes, it's time to actually give them a try. Oh, dude, look how small that is. My shoe is definitely not gonna fit in here. I'm gonna have to do this barefoot.
Right, so you got a trust fall system?
Yeah. Right. Like I trust either of you guys. All right. Okay.
Oh, you got it? Okay.
I got it. Yeah, see, I told you I got it. Jesus. Nope. I can't even stand on it. Ah, thank you. All right. This is actually not so bad. Whoa. Woo! Dude, my feet are so sore immediately because like I'm using all these muscles that I never use in my feet, so I'm constantly have to like correct.
You don't wear moon shoes to the gym?
No, I don't. You know what? I'm gonna wear these for the rest of the video. What? Is it just a phone? A phone with a built-in headset? What? All right, I gotta catch my breath. What? I thought it was like a little feature phone. This thing is enormous. So this looks like a feature phone, but it works as a power bank and a radio, but it has a stereo headset? How much was this?
So it's on Prime for $162.
Okay.
But there are several other offers for $50, like $50 to $60.
Oh.
But none of them are Prime.
Oh, well that's fine. Oh, so it's actually like a $50 phone, not 160 bucks.
Yeah.
Okay, that sounds a little bit more reasonable. Well, that's very pleasant. So wait, so I should try to pair this headset with like an iPhone or something to see if it actually works, because it supports supposedly Bluetooth 5.0. Okay, so in theory, I have the headphones paired with my phone, which can also be charged by the servo. So let's see if it actually works. I'm weirdly impressed. I don't know what I was expecting, but it was not as good as this. I mean, they sound fine. This is a rare kudos, my friend. This is actually not total garbage town like I expected it to be. Headphones, Venture Electronics, the next step in earbuds. These don't look great. Oh, what the? Dude, I mean, these look straight up like they cost like 55 cents. Were these expensive? What's so special about these?
So, I got them for $7.
$7, okay. I mean, that looks about right.
Apparently, they're one of the best sounding headphones that you can get for under $100.
You're telling me that this cheap set of weird looking headphones sound as good as like a $100 pair of headphones?
Well, let's not go that far, but it's definitely one of the better values under $100.
Oh, you're actually not kidding. These are actually not bad. I was ready to totally like tear them apart. I mean, look, these are not gonna blow you away, right? Like if you've listened to decent headphones, these are not going to be anything that's gonna completely like change your mind about it. But $7 is ridiculous for these. There's literally no downside. They sound so much better than anything else at this kind of price point.
All right, so.
Hello.
Hi.
I'm much taller now, I like this. Oh, come on, let me be tall with my moon shoes for a second, man.
Okay.
You don't even fit on A cam anymore. Your head's cut off.
But we got B cam.
It's time for an intervention.
Why? What did I do? Whoa. You wanna try to get this video like removed? This bikini man? I'm not doing that.
No.
What are you doing?
Well, this is the best one we could find.
Oh no. No.
It's time.
Are you really wanting me to shave right now?
Yes.
With the bikini trimmer?
Yes.
No, but like real talk.
We all want this.
Is this how I have to find out? Paybacks of Every single comment I've read is incredibly positive about the mustache. I challenge you to find a single person who does not like this facial hair.
He also doesn't read the comments.
Every comment is positive. Every video, everyone's like, oh, Austin, you look so attractive with your mustache. Oh, Austin, you're so cool. Oh, Austin, I wish I could be like you because you have a mustache.
Were they all in the playground?
It's so much worse than wearing moon shoes.
Hey, kids, you aren't right on the mustache. Am I done?
Yup. You're done.
There, we're good, right?
No.
You got something on your lip, boy.
Really?
Yep.
Am I really doing this? You guys suck.
All right, that's a wrap.
Go ahead, take a photo of my shame, it's fine.
All right, well, we're gonna keep you for the rest of the video.
No, I gotta finish it now.
No. You're good.
No,
You're good.
I look ridiculous. I have half of a mustache. This is worse than having a whole mustache.
Got your present though for all that hard work.
You've been such a good sport about everything.
It's just Oreos. DJ Mixer. I will say, about the only thing that's gonna cheer me up right now is a giant bag of Oreos. But something tells me that, oh, it is Oreos. We bought a pack of Oreos. Oh, okay, whatever, that's fine.
It's not just Oreos.
Hey, what is this? Okay, we have a black box and a white box. Holy, what? Come on, I shaved for this. I get to eat my Oreos. All right, so if I put this here. Oh. All right, that's kind of cool.
Thanks for shaving.